Yeah, that is Kamato and his fellow driver, like wamewin, so they were celebrating mazi. Good vibe mazi. Ani kitu ni mazi na wananipa do mingi, so this that they win mazi. Kamato you can to show jina. Sure guys, welcome to the Ring Me podcast mazi. So new episode inakaa mazi ndo hii sasa. So as you see this woman anatalk vile ashapiga warning, amesema kuna msee wake anaitwa Daniel what blah blah. So he started to make around like kule Naivasha makweli wasimbebe yani wasimgongee. So maze afu check so these are the action. So I love this experience vibaya sana. So it was so fun, like see wow the helicopters in a move, the captions, the camera nini yo vumbi, it was so good maze. So I think Kamato he did a nice job maze. Like ilikuwa na spin vibaya sana, so look kama ikabla kwa inakuja. Yeah, ilikuwa so fun. So look this, watu wamejaa. Hizi ni magari zina watu wamejaa, yani watu wajua waenda wapi. Na check, this is a parking center. So it was very good and it brings some memories and emotions. So you can just check out what was popping here. So and so kuna gari moja ambayo ilienda ika lose control ikaingia kwa njia fulani. So I'll shoot the video, I think the video is here. Alafu Woman Valley, so that is Kamato. That Kamato? No, it's not Kamato. Just some of the scenes ambayo nimechukua tu, I just show you. So people, there was a good vibing, a very good vibing. So maze, check out, just enjoy the vibe.